Okay, use 1.5 cups unsweetened almond milk for your liquid. And then use half a cup of a low carb berry. I'm using a berry medley of blackberry, blueberry, raspberry, and strawberry, but you could just do one. Okay, now add about a cup of spinach. Things are gonna start getting full, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of MCT oil, and I just get this at Walmart, and it's actually not too expensive. Whew, try not to spill. A scoop of collagen. This is the Vital Proteins brand, but it's also the only brand I've tried, so you know. Add half of a medium-sized avocado. I personally like to use frozen chunks because it makes it creamier. And just a little cinnamon, or however much you want. And just blend it up.